We're gonna do the four-wheeler or truck. What's that, monster truck? He got this morning for Christmas Day.
Joey, you can go at least 100 feet with it.
Ow.
Or 50 feet.
Yeah. It can go pretty far, I think. When Kevin and Jacob got one year, they used to drive it like halfway up the road.
That's about as far as you can go with
It'll
it.
let you know when you can't go any further because it'll quit going.
Come here.
I don't know, you might have to get it or you can back it up, I think. Just let them get it because it'll be better. You get it stuck in that grass, you're gonna get grass all up in the wheels and it won't work it that good anyway, you know.
It's not very strong at all. I'll have to go find him a different way.
Small hills probably, but that's too big.
I'm gonna go find him a different way.
Uh-oh. He's only had a very few remote control cars, but he knows how to work them though. Dogs must see it, they're barking at it. Isn't that funny? Nice to get stuck over there, maybe not. Let's go flipping down the hill. Okay. No, it's doing pretty good. Might be stuck in the mud. Well, that battery is not pre-charged that long either.
Go backwards, go forward. We're gonna find you a better one than that, son. We need to find him a real RC vehicle.
Well, what do you think of storage that's got hills? If it was flat, it would have been going. It would have been still going. That hill, I mean, it's got a hill in the driveway, but not as, you know. It's got lights up flash on it, you know. I remember when we done Kevin's and Jacob's when they were growing up. Oh man. There you go.
We're overwhelmed.